The history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to ancient times, where myths and stories depicted the existence of artificial beings with intelligence and consciousness. These tales were often associated with master craftsmen who created these beings. The concept of AI as we know it today began to take shape with the work of philosophers who sought to explain human thinking as a mechanical process involving the manipulation of symbols. This eventually led to the development of the programmable digital computer in the 1940s, which was based on the principles of mathematical reasoning. This breakthrough sparked the interest of a group of scientists who started discussing the possibility of creating an electronic brain. The field of AI research was officially established at a workshop held at Dartmouth College in the summer of 1956. The attendees of this workshop would go on to become the leaders in AI research for many years to come. At the time, there was a belief among these researchers that a machine with human-level intelligence would be developed within a generation. As a result, they were granted significant funding to pursue this ambitious goal. However, as the project progressed, it became evident that the challenges of creating AI were far greater than initially anticipated. In 1974, due to criticism from James Lighthill and pressure from the government, both the United States and British governments decided to halt funding for AI research. This period became known as the AI winter, as progress in the field slowed down significantly. Despite the setbacks, AI research eventually regained momentum in the 1980s with the emergence of new approaches, such as deep learning and Bayesian networks. Since then, AI has made significant advancements in various domains, including computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and healthcare. The history of AI is a testament to the perseverance and dedication of scientists and researchers who continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the field of artificial intelligence. While the goal of achieving artificial general intelligence, or AGI, still remains elusive, the progress made so far has paved the way for numerous applications and advancements that have transformed various industries and aspects of our daily lives.